This year, the feast of Hanukkah coincides with the Christmas season. It is common to see the streets of the city adorned with both Jewish and Christian symbols, as can be observed at the entrance to the old city of Jerusalem. Father Benedetto, in the Holy Land for over 16 years and responsible for the Kehillah for 4, stresses the importance of creating spaces for dialogue and mutual listening. His aim is to ensure that the Church is recognized by the Jewish people as an active presence in society, and at the same time to allow Christians to deepen their own roots, which are rooted in Judaism.
Quest'anno abbiamo avuto questa idea.
This year we had the idea of opening our small home, our small community, to create an opportunity for our Jewish friends, in this case Rabbi Oded, who is a great friend of our community, to meet the members of the Church of Jerusalem.
From the Jewish sources, we learn that Hanukkah is the time that the Hasmonaim dynasty, monarchy, had victory over the Greeks and rededicated the altar and went back to do the work in the temple in Jerusalem, and also finding the jar of oil and the miracle that happened, that one jar of oil, which was enough for one day to light the menorah in the temple, was sufficient and enough for 8 days. This is the source of the festival of Hanukkah.
The most important message of this feast is the light that overcomes darkness, Rabbi Peles emphasizes. Being together as a family in unity shows the world that goodness and light are far stronger than darkness. Other institutions as well, such as the Religious Freedom Data Center, are committed to interreligious dialogue and cultural study, promoting initiatives lived with great joy and respect.
The program for Hanukkah, which we devised, is that we will invite Christians to celebrate Hanukkah. It is very common for people to go out and see Christmas trees and Christmas markets and to go to the Christmas Mass to enjoy it. But I think that it's all about reciprocality. The whole point about being together in this world is that we share. And sharing is that we invite people to celebrate with us.
In Ein Kerem, many Jewish people gathered for a moment of sharing. The custodian of the Holy Land, Father Francesco Yelpo, also took part in the meeting, sharing a rabbinic teaching about the menorah. For him, events like these are meaningful and represent a path that should continue. Some rabbis explained that the human face is another menorah because we have 7 openings, 2 eyes, 2 nostrils, 2 ears and 1 mouth. These 7 openings are like openings toward our interior, toward the heart. And when a person has the light of God in their heart, their face becomes a lamp. It becomes a menorah. This is very interesting because it also becomes an actualization of the meaning of light, which must become an inner light that is then visible to everyone through the human face.
Christmas and Hanukkah, and it's a moment we can all get together and enjoy the good news of the light, of being together, of overcoming difficulties, overcoming prejudice, and letting everybody live his own life, his own religion, together in harmony that will bring more light to the world.